welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the start of my new series wherein I'm going to be doing fun things to other people's hair. And by other people's hair, I mean my family. So starting off with this video, I'm going to try to do a Brazilian blowout to my mom's hair. Okay, so let me show you the things. Oops. So let me show you the things that you'll need to do a Brazilian blowout at home. She came across this Shopee account wherein they sell this Brazilian blowout anti-frizz. Ayan. As a senior citizen herself, kung ano-ano na pong binibili niya sa Shopee. So, hindi ko lang po siya mapigilan. And then, sabi niya sa akin, she wanna let me try to do her hair. So, ayan, pagbibigyan natin. Kaya, wag mo akong sisisihin kung pangit yung buhok mo. Okay? I'm not a professional. Here are the things that we'll need. These are the Brazilian blowout anti-freeze. And meron naman nakalagay na instructions dito. So, ifa-follow lang namin. And then, we have here the gloves. Because hindi natin alam kung anong chemicals yung mga nandyan. Kaya, I'll wear gloves. And then, a hair iron. And basically, that's it. According to the steps, it says here to wash the hair with shampoo twice. And then, dry it with cold blower. So, right now, nandito na kami sa pa-step 3 na kami. Which is to apply this thing to her hair. Also, please forgive my morning face again. Lagi na akong morning face pag mag-vlog. That's because it's so early in the morning and gusto ni mamang gawin na ng maaga kasi manonood pa daw siya ng Itbulata. So, tawagin na natin ang ating first customer. Ma! Game na! This is the current state of her hair. As you can see, sobrang pangit.
Grabe makapangit sa akin.
Anong tawag mo dyan? Medyo maganda. Yes, ito po ang ating customer for the day. Say hello.
Hi! Jamie and Vlog. Please subscribe to Manay, Liza Adventure. Nakikivlog lang ako.
Ayan, subscribe daw kayo sa kanya. Yan. Take a closer look to her hair.
Buhagag.
Yes, super buhagag and super frizzy and dry and everything na masamang pwedeng sabihin sa buhok nasa kanya na. Pangit.
Iba na po ng career si Jamie.
Change of career.
Hindi na siya, engineer. Hairstylist na, tsaka makeup artist.
We're gonna apply this to her hair na. Tapos na siya sa step 1 and step 2. So,
Nag-shampoo.
we're going to apply this to her hair. Okay, first is to section the hair.
Sinasabunutan ako, girl.
Ito lang ang time ko para masabunutan ko.
Oh, energy.
Madali lang pala ito. Ilalagay lang na ganyan, no?
Pero anuhin mo. Pero wag sa anit daw. Baka may mahapdi.
Sa anit, lalagay ko
Tapos,
na.
ginaganon-ganon yan.
Ay, alam ko na yan.
Inaaway ako mga Manay-sters.
Yuko ka lang kasi.
Anong amoy? Strawberry yan eh. Plain.
Amoy gamot ko sa pang-ubo.
Oo nga, parang gamot. Pagka successful yan, at least nakasave tayo ng 2,000.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me.
My mom has thick hair, pero short lang din yung hair niya. Kaya ganyan lang yung nagamit namin. This is what it looks like after 1 hour. Sinusuklay lang siya ni mama. And then, i-blow dry na namin. Cold lang, di ba? Cold lang. So, we're just gonna blow dry her hair para matuyo yung gamot sa buhok niya. And sabi niya matapang daw yung gamot.
Mahapdi sa mata.
Baka kasi nilagay mo sa ice mo.
Hindi! Ba't ko ilalagay? Ano yun?
Okay, game na po.
Send me
After blow drying her hair.
Aray! Aray! Init! Init! Init!
Sorry.
Aray ko!
Send me. I know you do. Send me. Darling, you send me.
This is the final outcome. The hair. Ibababad lang yung gamot. Up to 3 days. Hindi pwedeng
Masaya.
liguan. Papakita namin yung result pag after liguan. See you guys in 3 days. Bye.
Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me.
It's been 5 days and this is what the hair looks like. What's your reaction to your hair, ma?
Hindi siya katulad ng siyempre sa parlor. Mas flat. So siya, medyo wavy pa rin. Siyempre, mas better pa rin yung sa parlor. Kasi ito, dapat, habang natutuyo siya, ibabrush mo ng buhok mo para maging medyo straight pa rin. Pag hindi, buhag-hagger pa rin yung buhok.
Okay. In short, epic fail.
Kaya,
Yun lang. Bye! Bye!